So welcome. So what about the project?
The Arduino Ultrasonic radar system is used sounders to detect obstacles, objects, etc. It is used in planes for security purposes, etc. In military for security purposes and other areas also.
All right. So how does it work? Where is this? Where is this?
This is ultrasonic sensor. When an object is near the ultrasonic sensor, it detects and sends the signal to the computer.
Okay.
Red light waves.
Red LED will appear, right? So it's like if I put my hand in front of the sensor, it shows that there is something over there, right? Yeah. Okay. So let's demonstrate more. Okay. So I'm putting a card over. Oh my God. So I'm putting my hands over there, right? So I can see the screen.
Even with like
It detects in which
Oh, right. Invisible sound.
Yeah.